Channel 100 spins for bonus wins. Today we're knocking around on Bigger Bass Blizzard Christmas Catch. Bit of a mouthful, Bigger Bass Blizzard Christmas Catch. Let's try saying that a few million times in a row. Is that a little bit loud? I'll turn it down a little bit. We were doing 100 spins as always. Let's go with the 54p. It would be 36 pence base bet. But with the extra chance, it's 54p base bet. So we'll put in £54 through the game. 100 live spins, starting on 1129, was it? Something like that, 1129. We're looking for 3 scatters in view. That's what we need. 3 of the scatters. I don't think we've seen any scatters yet. Have we ever seen any scatters? Let alone 3, let alone extra chance of scatters. Anything for the queens? Nothing for the queens. 1 there, 1 scatter. So that scatter on the end, we need 3 of those guys in view. 3 in view. Spin number 10. Oh, here we go. Could be doing it, could be doing it. Drop it in, drop it in, drop it in. Didn't drop it in. Does it do a respin? Oh, the hook's out, hook's out. There it is. Look at that. Spin number 10. Spin number 10. Beautiful. Beautiful. 10 free spins catches the fish. What we need, that fisherman guy there, we need him to pop up 4 times over the spins. And that gives us some extra spins and extra bonuses and multiplications and everything. Anytime he pops out, he collects all the fish in view. That'd be nice because there were 2 720s there. There's 1 there for, well, 72p this time. Where we win, we needed the 720s. 3 more of that guy and we get 10 more spins, all at times 2 of the fish. 5 to go after this. Come on, little guy. Yep, is there again? Oh, there's a bit there. There's a bit there, he says. That's nice. 1332 for that little collection. We need 2 more in these next spins to get some more spins. Right, 2 spins to get 2. 2, can we get 2 on the last one? We can't get it. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Look at all them amounts. What do we finish on? £16.74 for that. That was 10. Spin number 10. £16.74. So we're off to a cracking start. Oh, a little bit there as well. £2.16 for that. RTP percentage on this, return to play percentage, is a little over 96%. It's like 96.01 or something like that. Oh, that could be a bit. £3.60. If we'd have had a few more on Reels 4 and 5, that'd have been huge. That'd have been chuffing enormous. Look at this. Lots of wins coming in a row just now. 1 more. Bring it in, bring it in. Get your fishing hook out. No. I suppose being a little bit greedy, but why not? We're gambling. Well, it's not gambling. It is gambling. It is gambling. Of course it's gambling. It's controlled gambling. Maybe that's what I should start calling it. Controlled gambling. Seeing what we're getting for 100 spins. Anything? No. Spin number 20. There's a lot of these Big Bass games, as I'm sure you know. Big Bass, Bigger Bass, Christmas Catch, Halloween, Bass Catch, this, that, and the other catch. They're all along the same sort of lines. People that make these games love making fishing games. Love basing them on fishing. We'll be doing, did I say we'll be doing £54 in total through the game? Probably did. Talk a lot, forget what I say. Spin number 30. Come on, let's get another bonus. What are we on spin? We're on number 10 already. Alright, 2 here to get 1 in. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Drop it in, drop it in, drop it in. Hooks out. Nothing. Never mind. We keep going. We're okay with the teas here and there. Today's drink of choice is from a red and white can. Non-alcoholic. As I've got a big race coming up this weekend. So I'm what they call carbing up. Where you take on extra carbs to keep you pushing through the races. so you don't hit the wall. Spin number 40. Nice little bit of information there for you. Didn't ask for it, but you never do. I just give it out. So we're approaching the halfway point. If you've not subscribed, please find that subscription button. It does mean a lot to me when I get new subscribers, when I see the views that I'm getting, when I get the comments, the recommendations, all that kind of stuff. I appreciate it. I very much appreciate it. Do a little recap at halfway, which we are almost at. This is spin number 50 right now. Anything happening? A little bit. Spinning 54 pence a spin. So what's that? It's £27 we've put through. We're £1.80 down, which is not that much actually, because we've got a bonus. So we're almost even, which is good. One more bonus coming in this half will be very nice. Very nice. Let's get it on. Let's see. Anything happening? Come on. Seems to slow down after that wonderful start. This is spin number 60. Coming up. Oh, I can't remember who makes these games. Who makes these games? Anybody know? I can't remember. I just looked at it as well before I started the game and I've forgotten. I should know because I do loads of these big bass ones. Someone makes this game. I'll have to find out so I can put it in the hashtags. What? Come on, scatters. Not too many of them knocking around just now. Not many teasers going on. Started off very well on this game, didn't we? Very well. Quite an early bonus. Spin number 70 now. There's quite a few new games that I've seen on this site today, actually. A little bit there, a little bit. What's that? £2.16. Could have lined some more up, but I've no follow-up to that, but just could have lined some more up, couldn't you? You chuffing thing. Come on, let's at least get a tease. 75. Started off very well, and then in the second half, oh dear. Second half is evening out the first half, definitely. But we've still got 20 spins, because this is spin number 80. Little bit of fish, 36p. 36p is the base bet. And then the 54p is the bet with the extra chance of scatters turned on. You don't have to play it on that. You don't have to play it on. Do what you want. Live your life. We're approaching spin number 90. Tens, yeah, a little bit. 18p for tens. Come on, time for another bonus. Early bonus and a late bonus, I think. Spin 90. There's another game. What's the other game I'm going to try after this one? Ooh. I can't think. Is it Doghouse? Is there a new Doghouse one or something like that? Have I already done that one? Is it on my list? I'll have to have a look. Anyway, spin 95. $97. 98. 99. And last one, 100. There we go, 100 live spins, 54p a spin, put £54 through the game. After the first half, we were pretty much even, and after the second half, we had £26 down, so we got very, very, very little on that half. Just goes to show it does even out over the course of 100 spins. That's why I do 100 spins. And I'm going to go find another one. So I will see you in a bit.